Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a portfolio on your Shopify store. So go to shopify.com and log into your account. From the admin dashboard, go to the left panel and click on Online Store. Then select Pages. Click on Add Page on the top right corner and name it Portfolio. In the content area, you can add short description about your work, for example, what projects or services you want to showcase. Once done adding the content, keep the page visible, then click on Save. Next, go back to Online Store and click on Theme. Click on Edit Theme, and at the top, open the page selector right here, and choose Pages. Then create a new template. Name this new template as Portfolio. And base it on the default page. Click on Create Template. Now you can start designing your portfolio. You can add sections like image grids, galleries, or hero sections to showcase your work. Once you're happy with the design, click on Save. Then exit the theme editor. Go back to Online Store and click on Pages. Open your portfolio page. On the right side, change the template to the portfolio template you just created. Don't forget to click Save, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.